Let's fire those sirens up, guys. All right, all you Hobby Lobby enthusiasts, it's been wondering when the Hobby Lobby of Middlesboro is opening. They're fixing to have that grand opening, so it won't be long. 5:13. I bet there'll be a line from Hades here. I'm gonna take my wife to the Crackle Barrel to get her a bite to eat. I don't know what day the 13th's on, but I probably will have to work, so I'll probably miss the grand opening. But any of y'all can get down here. It's right here in the mall now. Right behind the Crackle Barrel. 5:13, grand opening. Down here at the beautiful town of Middlesboro. Brought my wife here to the Crackle Barrel. They got some unique stuff on the inside. A lot of nice old signs, inside and out. I don't know if y'all have a Crackle Barrel in your area, but you sure need to check it out because they're a good place to eat, I think. Let's go in here and order us some food. Oh yeah, they got a real nice gift shop too. You can buy all kinds of stuff out of that gift shop. Shirts, candy, old type candy, new stuff. Neat little rocking chairs, they're for sale. Checkerboard. This is where I got my interview with Abraham Lincoln at in my previous videos. Y'all check that out if you haven't seen it. Starting to wonder if I produce too many videos sometimes. Anyway, let's go get something to eat. We are here where everybody goes. There's a new Care Bear out there. My wife don't know it, but I'm gonna buy it for her. So here we go. Let's go get this new Care Bear. Well, I just asked her where she was at, and she said toys. So she might have beat me to the bear. Let's go see what she's found. You dudes should not dress this way in public. Don't dress this way in public, people. That's nasty. Got my bears. Alright guys, here's everyone's name. Well, their YouTube name, whatever you want to call it, that has entered the contest for the free t-shirt. That one there didn't enter. They didn't want to participate because they actually own one already. So I'm fixing to cut these up, put them in a little hat, I guess, or something, and let one of my kids draw the name. Alright, everybody's name's cut out. Still the same size, too. Kind of, you know, trying to make it as fair can possible. So now I'm going to fold them up, stick them over in a hat. I wish more would have entered, but I guess the video was too long. But I appreciate all y'all that watched and all y'all that entered. Alright, guys. There was 8 of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll get in there. Reach in there and draw one out, Zach. Set it right there on my leg. Let's see who the winner is. John Falls 2079, Anderson, Kentucky. You the winner.